Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Nabil as security.
My name is Aziza Nur A as customer service. My name is Zahra Khoerunnisa as passenger 2.
My name is Guruh Bagus N as passenger 1.
We are from group 1.
1.
Let's enjoy our videos.
Thanks. Zahra, looks, our ticket has been booked. Now we just need to go train station. Let's go.
Nice one, Guru. Let's go.
Wow, what's a great station. Now we have to find a place to scan ticket. Zahra, are you okay?
I don't know. My head is a little busy. But don't worry. Let's ask the security over there. Hello, sir. Can you tell me where we can find tickets?
Oh sure, you can do it in the machine over there. Should I get you to get over there?
Thank you, sir. It's really pleasure.
Let's go. Have you booked the ticket, sir?
Yes, previously I booked a ticket via online and now I need to print it.
Here, you can start by entering the booking code. And
Okay.
then you can follow all the direction.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Zara.
Are you alright, ma'am? You look so pale.
I don't think I can go to the vacation right now, Guru. My head is getting very, very dizzy. I'm so sorry.
It's bad, but it's okay, Zara. Let's just cancel the ticket. Sir, how do I cancel the ticket has been booked?
You can go to customer service over there.
Okay, sir.
And let me take care of your friend.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Come on, ma'am. Here.
Hello, miss. Can you help me? I need to cancel the ticket has been booked because my friend gets sick.
Sure. First, you should be prepared with some information to cancel your ticket. And please provide the ticket you have ordered as well as the owner identity. Tell me when you're ready.
All on me, miss.
Alright, can you tell me your train number and name?
It's Mutiara Selatan 153,
What's the date of journey?
6 September 2022.
Which class are you taking?
Business class.
What's your number seat?
X1 11A and X1 11B.
Is it your trip from Surabaya Gubeng to Pasar Senen?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I'll repeat. Your ticket is Mutiara Selatan train of 53 with business class and leaving on September 6 to 2022 with seat numbers X1 11A and X1 11B. Departure from Surabaya Gubeng station and arriving at Pasar Senen station. Boarding at Surabaya Gubeng and the reservation up to Surabaya. Any corrections, sir?
Nothing, it's all right.
Okay, now I need your name. What is your name?
My name is Guruh Bagus N.
Your sex?
Male,
Your age?
20.
Alright, now is identity for your friend's ticket cancellation. What's your friend's name?
Zahra Khoerunnisa,
Okay. Uh, your friend's sex,
female.
her age.
Some, 20.
Okay, the form is fully filled out. You will take your refund right at the station exactly 30 days after the cancellation request with duty amount of 25% ticket price. At that time, you need to show the staff your ID on the boarding pass and the copies.
Okay, thank you, miss.
Here's ma'am. Take this water.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You look so pale. Aren't you having breakfast?
I think it's because I didn't sleep last night.
Oh, it's okay, ma'am. You just need to take a rest after this. Let me help you to get the outside.
It's okay, my friend will help me.
Let me bring your things then.
It makes me feel so bad, but thank you so much.
Okay, just wait, your friend.
Zahra, are you okay? Let's go to home. You can take rest there. And thank you, sir, for help my friend.
You're welcome, sir. It's on my duty.
Okay, see you later.
Later, sir. Have a nice rest. Thank you for watching.
Hopefully you guys can enjoy the video. This all from us.
See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.